YouTubies, it's your girl Red. How's everybody doing? If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. I am doing some DIYs right now. I'm working on another tiered tray. This is a 2-tiered tray for my bathroom. I'm doing a lot of bathroom DIYs right now because I'm gonna change my bathroom. And I'm doing some storage changes in my bathroom and things like that. So you will see that video coming. So I will do all that in this one video. I'm going to show you all the DIYs I have and all the storage and all the details that I have and everything when I go over the bathroom. I'm going to do a room at a time. So my bathroom will be first. And then I'm going to do a closet. As you can see, I have like storage bin. I'm gonna do a closet. Then I'm gonna do my craft room, which is what I'm in right now. And as you can see, it's kind of, I got a lot of crafting stuff, a lot of stuff everywhere. And it's not a mess, but I do got a lot of stuff. And then I got my tanks, which is why it's so, you know, I got my tanks in here. And then I have my treadmill. So, you know, I got a lot going on in this one room. So, anyway, just showing you that and telling you that, so this is kind of an update video, letting you know that I'm going to be doing a lot of DIYs and a lot of, you know, storage and things like that. I'm not good with doing DIYs on camera. I'm trying to get used to it, but it's not easy for me. So for me, I'd rather do them in spurts and take pictures and show you and tell you what I'm doing. So this is a 2-tier tray that I'm working on, and I've already did the diamond wrap over them. And this is the middle piece that I've worked on with the diamond wrap. And this is going to sit on top like this. So it's going to be like this, kind of like I did the other one in the other video, the DIY video that I did of the 2-tier tray for my kitchen table. And I wanted to do clear, and I wanted to look kind of the glam look. So that's what I'm doing with this. And this piece right here is kind of thin. It's holding on. And this time, instead of Gorilla Glue, I use E6000s. The Gorilla Glue holds really well, but I just decided to use E6000s and glue, hot glue. And this is thin, very thin. I mean, very small, but we'll see, because I will be sitting stuff on top of this. And I thought about, I do have more of these, so if it doesn't hold, I may use one on each end, which is what I should have done in the first place. I'm not sure why I didn't even think to just go ahead and use maybe one right here and one in the front corner, one in the back corner. I don't know. So I've already glued this down, so I'm going to go ahead and see how it holds up first, and then maybe I'll add, because I'm going to be adding like air fresheners and stuff on the bottom, and maybe stuff that's not so heavy on the top, maybe tissue or sitting, you know, things like that. And then next I'm going to be working, doing this, putting my sand in here, and working on my toothbrush holder stuff and a lot of different things. So I will be showing you things as I go along and showing you pictures of my storage and all that stuff as I go along. So I will be back to show you guys all that stuff. Finished my bathroom and I am extremely tired. I did all my DIYs. Yes, I have a lot of bathroom stuff. A lot. A lot. My tiered tray needs another little thingy. I didn't get those from a paper towel holder. I got them from something else and I can't remember. But I'm going to have to probably try to use a paper towel holder. That candle smells so good. I love it. I did all my organization in my bins under my sink. And put my hair stuff, all my stuff. It's the hair stuff that I use every day. And this is all my face masks. This is one of those travel cases I tacked on the back of my bathroom door. All my masks, some of my makeup, my facial stuff, my bathroom closet. Pretty much everything. So I'm done with my bathroom now. I just need to sweep and mop, and so that's pretty much it. I love all my little DIYs. These are previous DIYs that I did. The first ones I did for my bathroom. That and that one. So I'm pleased with everything. And that is the little thing I hauled. That. I love it. I love that. Did that. That's really cute. I do love my tray. I had to sit something heavy on top of it so it can finish drying. And so that is it. Like I said, I will finish cleaning, and that is it. So thank you guys for watching.